first, let's talk about that head-turning exterior. The 2025 Lexus RX embodies elegance with its bold spindle grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. With a wider stance and a more aggressive front fascia, the RX commands attention wherever it goes. The fluid curves and aerodynamic profile aren't just for show, they enhance performance and fuel efficiency, making every drive as smooth as it is stylish. But the beauty of the RX isn't just skin deep. Under the hood, the 2025 RX offers a range of powertrains, including a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers an exhilarating 295 horsepower. Want even more efficiency? The hybrid variant offers a perfect blend of power and economy, with up to 308 horsepower and an impressive fuel economy rating, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury. From the soft touch materials to the meticulously crafted details, the 2025 Lexus RX is all about comfort and sophistication. The latest tech features include a massive 14-inch touchscreen, a panoramic sunroof, and an advanced driver assistance system that takes safety to a whole new level. Whether you're navigating the city streets or cruising on the highway, the RX keeps you connected, entertained, and safe. Now, let's talk about the price. Luxury and innovation don't come cheap, but with a starting price of around $50,000, the 2025 Lexus RX offers incredible value for what it brings to the table. Considering the level of refinement, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the RX is not just a purchase, it's an investment in luxury. So, if you're ready to elevate your driving experience, the 2025 Lexus RX is waiting for you. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A lifestyle that combines the thrill of the drive with the comfort of luxury.